Hello everyone. The Force User Login website app helps user to make and compulsory to user to log in or sign in when they click on something on the website page. So for that we need to complete some configuration. So for that let me get into the settings under website. From here we need to enable this option if user force login. It forces your user to log in into the website to explore more. Now let's get into the website. So from here we can see I'm in the website page where I haven't logged in any of the user. If user tries to explore the website, if they have clicked on the any one of the pages like contact us, it will show a warning message like if you want to explore the website then log in. So from here they need to log in to get into the website to explore the website. So in this way we can make use of this module to force the user to log in or sign in when they click on something on the website page. If you have any queries regarding these videos, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries, and if you feel this video will be very helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thank you for watching.